Everyone, welcome back to my channel. And are you wondering whether to stick with the free version of Square Appointments or upgrade to Square Appointments Plus? In this video, we will compare the features, pricing, and benefits of both plans so you can decide which one is right for your business. So, of course, this website is a scheduling platform designed to simplify booking and payments for service based business. So, while the free plan offers a great entry point, the Plus plan add extra features for businesses looking to grow. But how do they stack up? So, let's break it down. So, the Square Appointments free plan they offers online booking with a customizable booking page, payment processing through Square, automated text and emails reminder, basic calendar management. While the Square Appointment Plus plan includes everything in the free plan, plus they have their advanced reporting to track business performance, custom branding options for your booking page, no-show protection with prepayment options, then team management for multi-staff scheduling. So here, the free plan is completely free, which makes it perfect for solo entrepreneurs or small businesses starting out. The plus plan starts at just here per month per location, giving you access to advanced features designed to save time and help your business grow. So here are the pros and cons of each plan. So in the free plan, easy to set up and use, perfect for small businesses and individuals. But the free plan cons are no advanced team management and limited features for growing businesses. However, the Plus Plan Pros, they have their advanced tools like custom branding and no-show protection. Also, the ideal for business with team or high client volumes. And the Plus Plan cons, guys, is they have their monthly cost might not be worth it for very small businesses. So, how do you choose between free and plus? If you're starting out or running a solo operation, the free plan is a fantastic option. But if you're scaling your businesses, managing a team, or need more advanced feature, the plus plan is absolutely worth the upgrade. So that's it, guys. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more review and business tips.